Greetings everyone. It is time to jump onto Python programming. Okay, this is the textbook right here. Oh, by the way, it's early in the morning and right now it's my first video. This is gonna be my first video. Apparently people can tell that judging from my voice. Okay. Oh, really? Let me jump on to the problem on hand. It's right here. I am usually hyperactive than this and even louder. However, as I just said, you guys, this is my first video for the day. Anyways, okay, this is the problem on hand. We gotta write a program that asks the user for a number and prints out the factorial of that number. Again, n factorial is n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Okay, all the way in up to 1. Okay, so it's gonna look something like, you know what, let me make you guys an example. For 4, so 4 factorial is given by this, and I'm hoping people that know math are familiar with this. Okay, same idea applies for other numbers. Okay, so first things first, here's what I will do. This is one way of doing it. Okay, this is one way of doing it. Importing the math module. I'll go number is equal to eval input, enter a number. Okay, enter a number. Okay, the reason why I'm importing math right here, it's because there's a function that is already defined for us. Okay, and the function name is called factorial, so that is what I am willing to use. Okay, so I'll simply go number factorial is given by math dot, there's a function called factor. There we go. For this function, you simply pass it your number. Okay, and then finally I'll simply do that. Now let me save my file. Really, why would you do that? Oops, let's go. I'm gonna jump onto my desktop. Textbook exercises. We're doing Python, not Java. And this exercise is right under numbers. Okay, so I'm calling it 12a. Why? I'm about to give out another solution called 12b. Okay, here's one thing you guys should know. even though this solution will work, it perhaps, you know what, let me just give this a try. What if we enter a negative number like that? Seems like we're gonna have a problem. Okay, but you know what, in order to calculate a factorial of a number, that number must be positive. Okay, so it is entirely up to us whether or not we wanna do that validation. Okay, by making sure that our number is positive. Okay, however, I'm not planning on doing that because it will require my program to include if-else statements, which is something we haven't covered yet. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Right, okay. You guys, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, right? The guy just came by and he wanted something from me. Anyways, let's try 7. Seems like 7 works as well. Okay, again, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, you guys. The guy just, I'm a salesperson, so people, they just barge in sometimes looking for something to buy. Okay, anyways, that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'm gonna have to wrap it up now, but stay tuned for another solution on this particular exercise, where we will be implementing this factorial function ourselves. Okay, the algorithm making up the factorial function. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. See you guys. Cheers. I'm going.